Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to renew the device enrollment token within Jamf Pro using Apple Business Manager. To start, let's log into our Jamf Pro server and go to Settings in the top right corner. From here, go to the Global section and click on Automated Device Enrollment. If you have more than one enrollment server, select the one you'd like to update. In my case, I'm selecting my Jamf Training production server. Next, open a new tab or browser window and navigate to Apple Business Manager. After logging in, select your profile name in the bottom left corner and choose Preferences. In the Your MDM Servers list, select the name of the Jamf Pro server you want to update. At the top of this page, click Download Token. Click Download Server Token to confirm the token download, and then go back to Jamf Pro. On the Automated Device Enrollment Settings page for our selected server, click the Edit button in the bottom right corner. Click the Upload Server Token File button and choose the server token file we just downloaded. Once selected, click Upload, and then Upload again to finalize the renewal. Don't forget to click Save on the bottom right to keep the changes we just made. And that's it! We know the token was successfully renewed because the new expiration date is 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.